Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green peppers from store-bought peppers. First, select a ripe, healthy green pepper from the grocery store. Cut it open and carefully extract all the seeds. Make sure to rinse them well under running water to remove any remaining pepper flesh. This cleaning step is crucial for preventing mold and ensuring successful germination. Lay them out to dry completely for a few days before planting. Once your seeds are fully dry, it's time to germinate them. Place the seeds between 2 damp paper towels, then put them inside a sealed plastic bag or a small container. Keep this in a warm location, ideally around 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Check daily for sprouts, which typically appear within 7 to 10 days. Once you see tiny roots, they are ready for planting in soil. When your seeds have sprouted, gently plant each one about 1/4 inch deep into small pots filled with a good quality, well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering. Place your young pepper plants in a location where they can receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. As they grow, you may need to transplant them into larger containers or directly into your garden. Continue to water your pepper plants regularly, especially when the weather is dry, and consider fertilizing them once a month with a balanced plant food. As your plants grow taller, you might need to provide stakes for support to prevent their branches from breaking under the weight of the peppers. Green peppers are usually ready to harvest in about 60 to 90 days after transplanting. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.